Hello, friends. Welcome to yet another episode of Support FNB series. Today, we are at your neighborhood cafe, Roastery Coffee House. I'm sure you all are aware of Roastery Coffee House, which is one of the best coffee places in the city. Let's see what's in store for us today, apart from delicious coffee. Come, let's go. Let's talk to the man behind the scene, Nishant Sinha of this Roastery Coffee House, and understand what is behind this beautiful setup. Good evening.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
Hello, everyone. I'm Nishan, and really glad to have you here, sir. Please,
Thank you
sir.
so much. This is a new feeling, shaking hands, hugging, all gone.
Absolutely.
Hold your hands and say namaskar.
Namaskar. That's the most beautiful thing to say. In fact, we have all been saying this in the past. Somehow we got mixed up with the new feel, but I think this is really nice. I mean, doing namaste, it's always good.
Very good, very good. So, Nishant, tell us how it's been for the last 3 months for you during this COVID season.
To be very honest, it has been very difficult, but it has been very challenging. And as we all know, F&B industry is full of challenges. I mean, it's just not the COVID time. Before the COVID time also, there was a lot of challenges we used to face on a daily basis. And we always, worked hard on it and, got over through that. But during the COVID, it has been really difficult. Like, we have been shut for 70 days almost. There has been no businesses. And more than us, we were really worried about the staff because we have a good staff strength. And though we have not fired anybody, everybody has been retained and we are, paying in whatever capacity we can. But it was very important for us to start working so that we can pay our staff even in a better way. Like we were paying around 30%, 40%, 50% of their salaries back then during the COVID time. We wanted to start paying 75%, 80%, 100% so that they can look after their staff very well. So that's the whole reason that we started working.
I can understand
Absolutely, sir. You can
the
understand
hardships you must have gone through this period.
Absolutely.
Tell me, Nishant, government has finally opened up the lockdown and allowed people to start takeaway. Then they released to dine-in. So, but I don't see you have opened up dine-in. You're only catering to the takeaways.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. Because to be very honest, we all know very well, this is the new business for all of us. We have totally forgotten what we used to do back then. We have never been this inhospitable in our life. Like back then, customers, we always said customer is God. But during the COVID time, the whole scenario has changed. We have to be very careful with everybody, just not for the customer, but for ourselves, for our staff, for our whole place. For
Yes,
our whole
staff
family.
is the most important.
Most important thing, sir. Because at this time, human care is the most important thing. If you don't care of our belongings, then we are no good. So this is a totally different business, sir. I mean, what we have done back then, as I said, we have never been this kind of inhospitable in our life. And this
I like the word inhospitable.
yeah, but now we are only allowing one person at a time in the cafe. So all
Good.
these things, the new normal is very difficult. We don't know this business. This is the new business for all of us, and we'll take time to understand how to evolve further in this. So that is the biggest reason that we've not started the dining. We want to make sure the place is 200% safe for our customers, for our staff, for all of us, for all our belongings around. and then we'll get into it.
What are the procedures you have implemented?
I'll start with the first.
Yeah.
Start with the with our staff 1st
Mhm.
because they're the most important people for
Agreed.
now. So for now we have not fired anybody, to be very honest. We have retained. It's just that the pay cut has been there, but we've retained everybody, and we're only allowing people to come who are coming by their own transport, like people who have their own bike or people who can tag along with other people and come on their bike. So they are only able to come to work. We're not allowing anybody to come in the public transport. That's one, because we're not getting confidence on the public transport.
Agreed.
Second thing, our kitchen staff is staying in our own accommodation, and they're strictly being instructed not to go out anywhere. Even for the barber shop, for the haircut, we're trying to manage on our own. You can see my haircut. It's like we have.
Yeah, I can imagine you haven't gone to any salons doing it
So
home.
they're not going to the barber shop. They're just living in their own accommodation, coming here, working, and going back. When they come inside, the temperature check is must. That's
Mhm.
one. Continuous sanitation is very critical at this point in time. So they have been doing it, and they are very careful. Like in fact, our staff only telling us, "Sir, let's not do the dining. Let's just do the takeaway." So that shows the kind of honesty and the kind of integrity that they have towards the whole COVID situation.
Totally agree with you. You're not very, hasty to open up, dine in,
Yes, absolutely.
let people come in.
Absolutely.
Very fair.
So in fact, this message is being passed through the staff. The staff, like we do meetings every second or every third day, and they've been very vocal. So let's not do the dining. Let's just do the takeaway, and understand how we can improve on the dining standards, and then we'll start.
Agree.
So temperature check is must. Contact tracing is very important. Like even though let's say if somebody gets we have a lot of people working here who are from Hyderabad. So let's say if they take a holiday for a day and they go out and meet their relatives or somebody or something like this. If there is an emergency, they have to visit hospitals or something. Then we ask them to quarantine for 7 to 10 days at home, and then they join back. So temperature check, contact tracing for the staff, no human interaction anywhere else around,
And no public transport.
and no public transport. These are the safety measures that we are taking for the staff. From the customer point of view, as I said, it really hurt us, and some people think that we are become more inhospitable.
Probably should say you become a little more rude, not allowing customer to stay there, hold that.
Yeah. So, but to be very honest, 99% people who are coming to Roastery, they are very careful. In fact, when they come, they also teach us something very important, and they are obeying all the rules and regulations. In fact, we created a board also outside which says a brownie point. If you follow all these things, you'll get a brownie complimentary from our side.
Wow.
So this is something
You're bribing the customer to give you advice.
Absolutely, incentivizing them. So at one time, either one or two people is allowed inside the roastery, and most of them we are trying to cater to them in the car. So they sit in the car. We have a digital menu where they place an order.
They scan it and they can place an order there.
Yeah. So no disposable menu, no paper menu, no touch menu. Everything is digital menu, and people are coming and then they're placing the order. So once they come inside, they place an order. They can sit in the car, also place an order, and then every parcel which goes out is being sanitized. So you got a food sanitizer box which sanitize all your food stuff, all your parcel stuff which is going out.
So there's a UV box.
This is UV box, yeah.
Alright.
So which sanitize all your parcels and then it goes out. Cash also we are avoiding. We're not taking cash, but in case if somebody is preferring cash, so we got a cash sanitizer also. Before we take cash, we ask them to drop it in the box. It gets sanitized and then we take it inside. So
Very good.
every minor details we're trying to take. Every second or third day there has been. We used to get the pest control done once in a week back then, but now the frequency has gone up. Every second day we're getting the pest control done with a hydrochloric. I forgot the name of the liquid, but
Right.
we're getting it done with that. And
Sodium hypochlorite.
sodium hypochlorite, yeah. And from the entrance to the exit, everything is being sanitized every second day.
Fantastic.
नहीं ज्योति नो 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 अच्छा ठीक
Oh, that's lovely.
Nishant, you have to tell me what new you have got onto your menu with your new R&D during this lockdown.
Again, this has been very joyful and very nice. Just before the lockdown, as you know that we were, my wife Sheetal, she's getting ready for another experiential dining place for Delhi, and she was practicing it here. We will reveal about the product soon, but she was
Exciting, huh?
yeah, very exciting. Yeah, one of its kind again. So,
Oh,
but
okay.
it was in Delhi, and she was practicing it here because we have all the infrastructure ready. So we ordered a very good quality of oven, and just before the lockdown, it reached Hyderabad, but it didn't come to us. So we were contemplating what to do, and she was also getting bored at home. And during the lockdown, the best thing happened is there were a lot of courses started becoming online.
Yeah.
So a lot of people around the world started teaching baking and other things online. So she's a very good stalker. To be very honest, when we all got married, also she's a very good stalker. She also stalked me during our wedding, and this quality of hers really helped us. And she started stalking a lot of good bakers around the world, and she got to know a lot of good recipes. And she's like, Nishant, we already have an oven in Hyderabad. Let's just start. So we, contacted the courier company, got the oven here, and then she started baking good stuff. So though Roastery was popular for the specialty coffee and Roastery was popular for the comfort food, but there was one thing which was we were always missing: a good dessert and a good
I
bakery
know,
stuff.
I know.
Yeah.
How much
I
I
mean,
miss
you
the
have
desserts.
always been very very vocal about it that Dishan, you guys must do something. So I'm really thankful to her that she started baking. She started her learning online and started doing experiment on us. And the day we opened, now we have a range of good artisanal breads. I would call it artisanal breads because it's not perfect. The shape and the texture and the quality changes
I
every
know.
time, but it is really nice. Every time you eat, it is a little different, but it's nice. And she started baking a lot of good breads. Like yesterday, she follows one of the baker from Australia, and they make something called twice baked chocolate cake, which is also gluten free. So today we started to sell that. She's also started making a dark chocolate cake. She also started making banana breads and a couple of other like lemon cake and couple of other desserts. Like the most popular which has of late become is the bun, which we are calling it a roasted specialty bun. It is a rolled thing. And it is dipped in a sugar, honey, and cinnamon. Not sugar, honey and cinnamon, because honey is an immune booster. So
Right.
we are trying to take out most of the sugar part from the cafe, and we're trying to as I said, my staff is drinking a lot of honey every day. So we're also trying to trying to take out the sugar part from the coffee, from the food, from everywhere, and trying to replace it with honey so that it becomes immune booster. So that has been really really exciting, and bakery ever since we started serving, people have started liking it, and then we have a lot of regular patrons.
So a lot of regular guests have started
Yes,
to
they're
now
coming.
take your artisanal breads,
Artisanal breads,
the
as well.
artisanal breads,
The
what you
artisanal
call it,
breads, absolutely.
and the cakes.
Cakes as well.
And are you also making any whole wheat cakes, gluten-free
Yes,
cakes like
our
that?
banana bread is whole wheat bread.
Okay.
Okay, and the twice baked dark chocolate cake is a gluten free.
And multigrain breads also.
Multigrain breads, whole wheat breads. So the lot of portfolio. I mean, I can show you on the shelf.
Oh, great.
Yeah, when we go inside. So
I'm not just going to see it. I'm going to taste it. Okay?
absolutely, absolutely.
You know, I
absolutely.
can't control my cravings for
Absolutely.
desserts.
Desserts. Yeah, yeah.
Definitely, I'm going to dig into one of them.
Absolutely, sir.
And so from now onwards, Roastery would also have another portfolio called Bake Products.
Absolutely, sir. We're gonna have it for sure.
Wonderful.
Yes.
So now, coffee, comfort food,
And
bake
a good
products.
bakery products.
Excellent,
Yes,
excellent.
sir. Absolutely, sir.
That's a way to go.
Absolutely, sir.
And
Thank you.
I'm very happy to know that
True.
the desserts have come into the picture.
Absolutely, and I hope you like it. I mean, we're all very excited to make you try. I hope you really like it.
Wonderful. Thank you, Nishan. Thank you
so
for
much,
your
sir.
time.
Thank
it was
you
a
so
great.
much for doing this.
So, friends, this is how Roastery Coffee House is ensuring customer satisfaction with highest standards of safety and precautions to make sure you can enjoy your favorite coffee at Roastery Coffee House. Thank you. See you soon.